what's up? What is happening? Welcome to Bharat 91, the Indian Founder Stories with Ashish Satpathy, where we bring you exciting stories from all across India. The founders themselves sharing the how, the when, and the where they started their business with. Now, talking about Bharat 91, the Indian Founder Stories, we know you guys are absolutely doing a great job coming up with incredible ideas, making our country proud, and coming up with different things that most people would not think about. But I know what it is to start a business. I know what it is to start something from scratch, having the fear that it might work out, it might not. There's always a possibility that this can go either both the ways. It can go extremely successful, or it can just go extremely bad. But you need to have an idea. It always helps to have a outlook and out sketch about what exactly you are getting yourself into. Now, in this podcast, we would be talking and bringing you stories from different founders from different fields. Now, this season is going to be focused on a lot of different varieties of fields, and we would be directly talking to the founders. It's going to be a conversation between me and the founder themselves, where they will be sharing their stories, their inspirational stories, the mistakes that they made that you guys have to keep in mind. Now, mistakes are always gonna happen. We all learn from our mistakes. We get so many lessons from mistakes. I mean, there's a saying where mistakes gives you a better lesson than your enemy itself. So mistakes are bound to happen if you're starting something new, because you are slowly getting in the process, getting to the place where you finally want to get there. And there is always this saying also that if you are making mistakes or something, that means you are getting somewhere. That's the first step of getting perfection in that particular field. So don't be hesitant, make as many mistakes as you can, and do not forget to stay tuned, because we are going to help you with a little bit of ideas, with a little bit of inspiration, with a little bit of push, with a little bit of stories that can help you shape your plan in a way better way. So in this podcast, we will be doing the exact same, and do not worry about the platform. We'll be covering most of the platforms, talking from baking to plant-based organizations, where we speak directly with the founders and they would be telling exactly how they started and exactly what you're supposed to do. They would be sharing a little bit of their mantra, a little bit of their secrets, so you guys can take tips from that and improve. So that is all about it. And I would be also sharing a lot of different strategies, in the sense a lot of different strategies that you can implement in your business. I believe there are different kinds of businesses. I believe there are different kinds of platforms where we get to grow, but they all have something in common. They all have the same hard work in common. They all have the same grind in common. Hard work, grind, it's all about that. Hard work pays off more than talent at any particular day. So keep in mind that always hard work is the key to success, is one of the keys to success. I wouldn't say hard work is the only key to success. Hard work with a brilliant plan, I think you can get somewhere. I think you can absolutely pull it off, the idea that you have been having all this while. I think you can absolutely get somewhere to achieve what you plan on achieving all this while. Now, I know because of the lockdown, COVID situations getting worse day by day, but that cannot be taken as a negative response. If we take everything as a negative response, that's just gonna keep us down, put us down all the time. But we need to figure out how to turn this around, how to turn the tables. Now, COVID situation came to our life and it literally washed away all the businesses. All the major businesses have been having losses, but it also gave an opportunity to grow further businesses. Like, I'm talking about online business, I'm talking about home-based business. That is something that is growing at a very fast rate, if you see. Now, these are the things that we can use to turn the things around, to turn it around. Now, we cannot fighting COVID, it's still happening. It will be happening for a longer time. But we cannot wait for that particular time to get over so that we will be back on business. We have to figure a way out to turn this around on our advantage. So for that, we need to figure out how to deal with this step by step. And that is exactly what will be happening in this podcast, where you get to have an idea about how this whole online business works. Online is a platform that was particularly, let's be honest, before a few days, it was, before this whole COVID situation, online platform was there, but it was only used by a certain number of people. Now everybody is online. Online is every single thing. Maybe home, maybe medicine, maybe food, maybe any single thing. Everything is available online. Every single thing. And that's how we need to use that platform to our advantage. To turn this situation, turn this tsunami of a wave that COVID has caused our business to into a calm, slow, but steady progress. So these are the things that we have to keep in mind. You guys have to keep in mind before we step into this podcast, because we'll be doing exactly the same. We'll be bringing out stories, bringing out different perspectives of people, how they actually managed to deal with this crisis and turn it around into a successful business. So we will be talking about these things with the owners. So stay tuned, because we've got fantastic topics coming up, fantastic content coming up, and I'm pretty sure you will be having a great time. So all the entrepreneurs there, stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to this podcast so that you do not miss another episode of brand new Bharat 91, the Indian Founder Stories. This is Ashish. I hope to see you in the future episodes to come. Stay tuned, because we've got some fantastic stories for you. This is Ashish signing off.